ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മൾ പെയിൻറ്റർ വിഭാഗത്തിലെ മുൻവർഷത്തെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറാണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആദ്യ ഭാഗം നമ്മൾ നോക്കി, അതിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിലുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിനി ഇതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ഭാഗം നോക്കാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കോഡ് 105/2014 പെയിൻറ്റർ കേരള ആഗ്രോ മെഷീനറി കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ലിമിറ്റഡ്. ചൂസ് ദ മെറ്റാലിക് കോട്ടിംഗ് ഫ്രം ദ ഗിവൺ ചോയ്സസ്. സിമെൻറ്റേഷൻ. Cementation is the metallic coating. Which ingredient is not included in the paint? Wax. ഇത് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതിൽ പെയിൻറ്റിൽ അടങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ളതൊരു വസ്തുവാണ് വാക്സ്, മെഴുക്. Which is the paint used for iron work under water? Bituminous paint. Bituminous paint is used for ironworks under water. Dash is formed by cutting the ends of the wooden members at an angle and then joining them by dowels, nails or screws. Meter joint. Meter joint is formed by cutting the ends of the wooden members at the angle and then joining them by dowels, nails or screws. The copper base and silver alloys are commonly used as filler metals for dash. Brassing. The copper base and silver alloys are commonly used as filler metals for brassing. Color code for dangerous materials is dash. D. Yellow or orange. Color code for dangerous materials is D. Yellow or orange. How many methods of brassing are there? 4. 4 methods of brassing are there. Which is the color code identification for pipelines chlorine? Yellow. Yellow is the color code identification for pipelines chlorine. Snips are used for sheet metal cutting. Snips are used for sheet metal cutting. Dash machine used for producing round holes with the help of drill bits. Drilling machine. Drilling machine used for producing round holes with the help of drill bits. Color code identification for pipelines acetylene. Maroon. Color code identification for pipelines acetylene is maroon. Joining permanently two pipes of sheet metal with rivets is called dash. Riveting. Joining permanently two pieces of sheet metal with rivets is called riveting. Soldering iron is used for dash. Soldering. Soldering iron is used for soldering. Which part of the compressor controls the air pressure? Air transformer. Air transformer of the compressor controls the air pressure. For what purpose dryer is used? As drying agent of paint. Dryer is used for as drying agent of paint. A primary color which is not included in secondary color is called a dash. Complementary color. A primary color which is not included in a secondary color is called a complementary color. A layer of paint is called dash. Coat. A layer of paint is called coat. Indigo is a lighter form of dash. Violet. Indigo is a lighter form of violet. A mixture of two secondary colors from a dash color. Tertiary. A mixture of two secondary colors forms a tertiary color. Stamping powder is used for dash. Figure shading. Stamping powder is used for figure shading. How many types of timber defects are there? 5. 5 types of timber defects are there. What are the ingredients for view montage? Resin plus beeswax plus coloring pigment. Resin plus beeswax plus coloring pigment is the ingredients of view montage. How many types of stains are there? 4. 4 types of stains are there. What are the primary colors? Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue are the primary colors. Red plus blue is dash. Violet. Red plus blue is violet. Oil painting is done mainly in dash. Canvas. Oil painting is done mainly in canvas. Standard size of the electric oven may be dash. 5 inch into 4 inch into 4 inch. Standard size of the electric oven may be 5 inch into 4 inch into 4 inch. Stand blasting is the process of dash. Surface cleaning. Sandblasting is the process of surface cleaning. Bolting cloth is used for dash work. Screen printing. Bolting cloth is used for screen printing work. What is the purpose of primer coating? Adhesion of paint. Adhesion of paint is the purpose of primer coating. A room has length of 12 meter, width of 10 meter and height of 5 meter. What is the area of ceiling? 120 meter square. Cost of labor and paint for painting 1 square meter is 95. The cost of labor and paint for painting 60 square meter is dash. 5700. Red oxide metal primer is used in metal surface. Red oxide metal primer is used in metal surface. A painting which is executed with one color is called dash. Monochrome. A normal color is modified by the addition of small quantity of white is called dash. Tint. A normal color is modified by the addition of a small quantity of white is called tint. Which is the correct formula for calculating the volume of paint required? Painting area into number of coats by covering capacity. Painting area into number of coats by covering capacity. MC Nails method is a dash process. Wood seasoning. MC Nails method is a wood seasoning process. The outer parts of the timber are dried while the center or core is still green. That is called dash. Case hardening. The outer parts of the timber are dried while the center or core is still green. That is called case hardening. Twisting is also known as dash. Winding. Twisting is also known as winding. Decay is introduced into the timber in dash ways. 2. Decay is introduced into the timber in 2 ways. Diseases which affect hardwood when they over mature. It shows up as reddish brown blotches. That disease is called dash. Foxins. Disease which affect hardwood when they over mature. It shows up as reddish brown blotches. That disease is called foxins. Which solvent is thinned by lacquer paint? NC thinner. Shellac stick is used for dash. Filling holes and cracks. Shellac stick is used for filling holes and cracks. Water glass is also known as dash. Sodium silicate. Water glass is also known as sodium silicate. Covering capacity test of the equipment is named as dash. Checkerboard. Covering capacity test of the equipment is named as checkerboard. Resistance to scratching under specified load of a dried film of the paint tested in the equipment is dash. Scratch hardness tester. Resistance to scratching under specified load of a dried film of the paint tested in the equipment is scratch hardness tester. Electrostatic painting is also known as dash. Powder coating. Electrostatic painting is also known as powder coating. Electrostatic painter are classified in dash systems. 4. Electrostatic painting are classified in 4 systems. Scriber is used for dash. Scratching lines on a metal surface. Scriber is used for scratching lines on a metal surface. Who drew the picture of Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci drew the picture of Mona Lisa.